Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I teach you Chinese grammar in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to analyze the following sentence. 这家工厂生产电炉. This sentence means this factory produces electric furnaces. Let's break it down chunk by chunk and see how it works. The first chunk is 这家. 这means this and it is a demonstrative pronoun. It can be used to point out something that is close to the speaker or the topic of the conversation. 家 is a measure word that is used to count nouns that refer to families, households, companies, or other groups of people. In this case, it is used with the noun 工厂, which means factory. Measure words are very important in Chinese because they show the quantity and the category of the nouns. You cannot say 这工厂 without a measure word, because it would be grammatically incorrect. There are many different measure words in Chinese, and you have to learn them by heart. Some common ones are go for general objects, bun for books, kiao for long and thin things, and so on. The second chunk is 工厂. As I said before, this means factory. It is a compound noun that is formed by two characters, 工 and 厂. 工 means work or industry, and 厂 means factory or workshop. Together they form a word that means factory or plant. You can see how Chinese words are often composed of characters that have related meanings or sounds. This makes it easier to remember them and guess their meanings. The third chunk is shēngchǎn. This means produce or manufacture. It is a verb that describes the action of making something. It is also a compound word that is formed by two characters, shēng and chǎn. Shēng means life or birth, and chǎn means produce or yield. Together they form a word that means produce or give birth to. You can see how this word reflects the idea of creating something new. The fourth and final chunk is diànlú. This means electric furnace. It is a noun that refers to a device that uses electricity to heat up materials. It is also a compound word that is formed by two characters, diàn and lú. Diàn means electricity or electric, and lú means furnace or stove. Together they form a word that means electric furnace or electric stove. You can see how this word describes the function and the appearance of the device. So now we have analyzed the sentence chunk by chunk, and we can see how it works grammatically. The sentence has a simple structure. Subject plus verb plus object. The subject is 这家工厂, which means this factory. The verb is shēngchǎn, which means produce. And the object is diànlú, which means electric furnace. The sentence follows the basic word order of Chinese, SVO. The subject comes first, followed by the verb, and then the object. There are no articles, prepositions, or conjugations in this sentence. Chinese grammar is very different from English grammar, but it is also very logical and consistent. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new about Chinese grammar. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.